Hello, everyone. I'm Nadine, owner of NG Platinum Homes, and welcome to another episode of What Makes This Design Great. Here with me again today is Catalina Yturralde with Meraki Kassa Designs, and we're going to get into detail and discuss another beautiful project from the same house on a previous episode. And here we have the office. So let's start talking about what were the thought processes behind this? Let's first start talking about the paint. You had mentioned to me that they matched that to something she had already had because she liked the color. So let's talk about that first.
Yes, it was hard. This was again old paneling cherry wood. So and we just painted. We changed the doors and the trim, the crown trim on the cabinet to be more square and more contemporary. But she had this particular gray that she wanted to use, and we couldn't okay, it's not this one, it's not this one, it's between this one and this one, and she finally found a piece of it. I think it was a fabric that she had.
Okay.
And we took it to Sherwin-Williams, and they matched the color, and here we have it. Again, it's those things that where this office is situated, it gets the afternoon sun. So colors seem more yellow in the afternoon than they do with the morning light. So it was tricky. We had to prove the color and leave it there for a few days for her to see it and really approve it, if she liked it or not. Yes, this was a difficult room, and the client was really particular. There are clients that are more particular with furniture, or she was very particular with the colors. And everything was like gray, woods, and whites, but yes, with a ton of the white, ton of the grays.
And those are tricky.
Mm-hmm.
Those can be tricky
Yes.
to get it right because as we all know, with whites and grays, there's a large variety of those out there.
Yes. And the undertones.
Mhm.
Sometimes, depending on the light, the undertone shows more. And then I have had some grays with a purple undertone, red
Yeah, yeah.
undertone. And when you have it on the wrong light of the day, it shows like purple or like a pinkish.
Yeah.
And it's like a mistake that you don't want to have. So that's always have like a big piece, like 3x3 painted with the color, and see the different types of
Yeah, and let
it.
it sit there for a while. So we have a nice rug too, that goes quite nicely with the color of the cabinetry.
Yes, it pops up, and you add a little contrast within like the neutrals. And that's what she wanted. She wanted everything to be neutral and simple. But what I don't like is to match the color of the floor with the color of any other wood. You always want to pop, so that way it add depth on the whole design. So we love that table. We found it in an article, and we ordered it, and at the beginning we were like, oh, maybe it won't work, but it worked.
And there's an example of two different wood tones. So you have a little bit darker desk, and then a quite light flooring, which is actually quite pretty as well.
Yes.
And then you mentioned that exquisite floors. It was from that one?
Yes.
Right?
They provide the floor and install them. Yes, and they are very nice to work with.
And then let's talk a little bit about her accent pieces that she has on the shelving. You mentioned those were all her all her stuff that she had that she wanted to display. So there's some interesting things there. Little wooden robots looking thing.
Because her
Cute.
little one loves to work with robots, and they are from Mexico, so they have interest in like books, and her husband is a golfer, and there's a little bit of their history there, which I think it's important. It's really important to show your clients story in a way, whatever they want, like with books, with art, with accessories. But it's nice to have if you have travel, as we were talking, you can bring things from your travels. So yes.
And then we have some nice hardware on the cabinetry too. We'll talk about that.
Yes, those are signature hardware, and they are a beautiful long one, so that way it was more modern.
Mhm. And that's a lot of people are going that direction too with hardware. Somebody
Yeah.
once told me the bigger the better
Yes,
on cabinet doors these days. A lot of people are really going with the larger pulls.
it depends of the feel that you want. Long ones, it's more modern and more masculine.
Mhm.
And if you want to go a little feminine, it's better to go with the small ones, rounds, and
Mm.
it depends. She is, I think, in a way, she's strong. She's the mother of 4 boys.
Uh-huh.
So it's very masculine. If you see, you don't see like, a pretty woman sitting there. Or you can see it, obviously. And you can wear, but it's not feminine. It's more
Mhm.
masculine. And that's the reason, all the coloring and everything. But yes, the longer hardware, it's the vertical lines
Yeah,
are
yeah.
generally more masculine.
Mhm.
If you think about a woman, or the feminine side of a space, it's more curvy.
Oh, that's an
Mhm.
interesting
Oh
perspective.
yes,
Yeah, I
oh
like that.
yes,
And then the lighting we have here is nice, clean.
yes. It's Alora and M&M lining
Yeah.
again.
I see a pattern with that
Yes,
M&M
yes,
lighting.
yes.
Yeah.
But they really treat you really well, and they help you, and if they don't have it right there, they show you. They have trillions of catalogs
Uh,
of and companies that
so
they
you can
represent.
go to them and say, "Hey, I'm looking for something kind of like this," and they can kind of help you find what
Exactly,
you're looking
and you
for.
even can take like a picture from Pinterest. That sometimes those designs are European designs or from South America.
Mhm.
And listen, I am looking for this light fixture, and they go back and forth, and they find it.
Yeah,
Or if they don't find the exact light, they find something really
similar.
similar.
That's good. That's very helpful. I love companies that do
Hmm.
that. Well, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you
It's
so
always a
much for having
pleasure.
me.
Stay tuned for the next episode.